Hi, my name is Brandon, and I am the owner of Smoking Gun Coffee Roasters in downtown Chilliwack. Coffee has been a massive part of my healing journey. So I had a career totally different, and found coffee to be this really therapeutic, almost like restorative process for me. And roasting coffee in particular is incredibly sensory, incredibly engaging. And I found channeling these big energies into this action then created a result that I could share with people. And ultimately, it was the journey towards connection with myself through coffee, also connection with others through sharing it. And that's really the foundations of what's happened here, is having an opportunity to share that love and that connection. Coffee for All has become sort of our working mission statement, and it means a lot of things. It means that piece of connection that this space and Smoking Gun is for everybody, regardless of where you find yourself, not only in the coffee journey but just in the life journey. That it's a very level ground for anyone who wants to engage in that connective work that coffee helps us do. And also, practically speaking, Coffee for All means that we are really trying to create not only an environment but a product that is for everybody. We have everything from extremely nerdy, light bright coffees to more well-developed coffees that, my grandma really loves to drink. So we really try to make that our mission for everything that we do. Everything that we try to put out in the world is about reducing barrier and creating connection. I love spending time with the author. I love the vibe, this sort of like Parisian style cafe. I really enjoy that. But we're just really excited to see you guys down here.